Assalamu alaikum. My name is Engineer Haider Ali San. I am a civil engineer as well as the founder and CEO of Dwelup Corporation. At Dwelup Corporation, we provide complete professional architectural and engineering services. Our services include architectural design, drafting and planning, 3D architectural modeling, structure analysis and design, quantity surveying and estimation, interior design and space planning, bar bending schedule, and Vastu-Based Planning. We focus on structure that are visually appealing, structurally strong, cost-effective, and energy balance. So if you are looking for professional architecture and engineering solutions for your project, feel free to contact us. Thank you.